guys, very happy to have Muskan here with me today.
Hi.
She has got 8 each in the very first attempt. She has got listening 79, reading 85, speaking 86, and writing a perfect 90. Very happy and proud of you, Muskan.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Very big congratulations
Thank
to you.
you.
So Muskan, I remember you used to sit in the lab for 8 hours straight every single day, although you have a very small baby.
Yes.
That's
2 years and 3 months old.
yeah, so that's definitely not easy for you, I'm sure. So I know this would have been a very big achievement for you to get 8 each in the very first attempt. A lot of students in the first attempt, they just kind of go to try in the exam to get 6 or 7 each. But I remember when you came to the lab for the very first time, you were like, no, even if I take 2 or 3 months, that's fine. I want to give it only once, and I need to give 8 each in the first attempt. And here you are today. You've got whatever you dreamed of. How are you feeling?
Hi, I am very happy. Like in first attempt, I got 8. In India, I gave IELTS. I never done PTE here. This is my first attempt, and I'm very happy today. And when I came here, I practiced a lot. The first thing I remember when I came here, everybody asking me, "You won't get 8 in first attempt. You won't get 8 in first attempt." But then I was depressed at that time. But now I am very happy. Like as you know, like the hard work is the key to success.
Correct.
And I practice a lot. And one of the thing I struggle is reading. Mostly in the filling in the blanks and the drag and drop and the reorder as well. Whenever I give mock test here, I always got 71, 72, 73. I never score high in the reading. Then I asked Ishita ma'am, Pinka ma'am, Ali sir, why I'm not getting 74, above 74? And they guys told me like, it's okay, you will be okay, don't worry, don't take stress. And now I am happy, like I'm very happy today.
So just like Muskan mentioned, mock tests are very important. Definitely practice is the key, but you definitely need to know where you're lacking in order to be able to improve as well. I know that you were struggling in the reading section as well. Obviously, now that you've got your desired score, a lot of students out there definitely struggle in their reading section. So what do you think are the most important points to keep in mind for the reading?
Like for the reading, first thing, like you have to practice a lot. You have to do again and again. And what I did, if I don't know the meaning of that word, I Google it, then write down its meaning in my notebook. This is the first thing I did to improve my reading. And definitely it works a lot for me, because then I know like this word has this meaning.
Correct.
Definitely this technique will help me a lot in my reading section. And before the exam, I practice all the prediction file, especially for the reading, filling in the blanks, drag and drop, and the reorder. And this thing worked me a lot.
So yes guys, just like Muskan mentioned, if she didn't know meaning of a word, she wrote it down in her notebook and she went through it over and over again. So what I've noticed with a lot of students is that if they don't understand a word, they just skip through it and they just go to the next question. Don't do that. Please take your time, even if you're taking or struggling and you are taking some extra time to understand the meaning of the word so that you don't make the same mistake the next time. Please do that. Please make your notes, go through them over and over again so that it sticks in your head. Right? A perfect 90 in your writing section. What do you think is the most important section or questions in the writing module?
In the writing, mainly essay is the most important one. Like I know the template, but I always try to find the good keywords which I have to put in my essay. I know some words, like for some essay I know the keywords, like this one is the best and that one is the best, but for some essay I don't know. Then I Google that, like the advantages and disadvantages of this essay, benefits and disadvantages, positive or negative things. Then I wrote down as well.
And do you think
I never struggle in essay, but I remember some key points, keywords for the essay as well.
Yes, and do you think there are any other questions which contribute to writing which are also very important?
Same, the reading section, filling in the blanks, and the drag and drop. same
Yes.
thing. Yeah.
Yes, guys. So, as Muskan mentioned, although writing essay is very important, there are templates to help you in your essay, but knowing the right keywords to write are also very important, which are going to contribute towards your essay. And definitely, although that's an important part of your writing, your reading fill in the blanks are also a very important question that contribute towards the writing score.
Yeah.
Are there any other things that you'd like to mention before we end the video?
Yes, I like to mention one thing. Like, before my exam, my mother went back to India on 10th of Jan, and I never came here for the practice. I was depressed. I was confused, like whether I will do well in the exam, because I didn't practice a lot before 3 or 2 weeks before the exam. Then I was nervous as well because of my baby as well, because he keep trying snatching all the things from me, my headset, my pen, my notebook. Then I thought whether I will get marks in the exam or not. But definitely my practice works a lot, and hard work as well.
Yes, guys.
I practice a lot.
Definitely Muskan has struggled a lot, but just like she mentioned, practice is the key to success. If you practice, if you know where you're lacking, there's no reason you can't do it, just like she did. So please make sure you're practicing, but you're practicing in the right direction.
In the right direction. Don't just go like this thing will come here. No, don't do this. No. You have to know the exact reason. I always ask Ishita ma'am, why this is here, why not this one? I always ask Priyanka ma'am as well, why this word is not here. Can you please tell me why this is not? Because in reading, my problem was that I know like these two words will be there in the blanks, but I am confused whether this will come or the other will come. Then if I am sure, I will put the word. But if I have any doubt, I will ask the Ishita ma'am, Priyanka ma'am, can you please help me whether why this one and whether the other one not.
Correct. So just be curious, just understand what you're doing instead of just getting the right answer and not knowing why. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope that helped you. I'll be back very shortly in another video. Thank you.